Hey, Mark Rice here, and today I will share with you 5 different ways to improve your character design. In the meantime, you can enjoy the speed drawing, so let's start. The first tip is the same for all type of illustrations: draw it 100 times. I really mean it, this will boost your drawing skills. Draw it, delete it, and draw it again. The same art, over and over. The second time will be much better, and next time even better. So imagine if you do this 100 times. If you are a beginner, do this on the paper. Draw it a simple character with a pen, delete it, and do it again. Every time you will improve some of the details and become even better. Okay, I mentioned the details, so it's time for the tip number 2. Details. When I finish a character, I usually add a huge number of details. It can be highlights, shadows, and stuff like that. This will launch your drawing on the next level, so don't be afraid to make the final touch, just do it. Tip number 3, colors. They are more important than you think. When I learned how to use the colors, this knowledge boosted my portfolio immediately. I'm using a few different methods to pick up the right colors. Next week I will launch a course with all methods that I'm using to create a winning color combination. The course will include all my tools as well, so stay tuned and check out Gigantic Store. Tip number 4 is really cool and helpful. Give your character a name. One man told me, if you don't want to keep that cat, don't give her a name. It's true, when you come with a name, it becomes personal. You will get a wish to get to know better your character design, and it's mean better illustration. If it's possible, come up with a story about your character and people will never forget your drawing. And the last tip, boost everything. The character art should be fun and relaxing, so play with your character design. Increase every important part of it. It will be fun and it will give a special charm to a character. Okay, that's it, quick and helpful. If you want more of this stuff, tell me in the comments down below. If you're new, subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out. And stay tuned, because the best is yet to come.